And action.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Action.
Hey KYA, welcome back to Sally.
Come on, we got it.
A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7.
Hold on, Valerie's wrong.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, give me just 1 second. That's just the wrong camera. We're filming something. Okay.
Wait, 1 second. Let me focus.
No. Hey KYA, welcome back to our channel. Oh my god.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Can we read it?
And action.
Hey KYA, welcome back to our channel.
Please make sure you like and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome to KYA 3 2018. We've had a super exciting conference with plenty of things to do, plenty of people to meet, and plenty of time to have fun.
Day 1 kicked off with the governor's opening address. We then head over to education fair where things got a little wild.
You're good.
I think I just had an anxiety attack. It is so hot back there, like in that corner.
I'm Jerome Heiss. I'm not Cruz.
After education fair, an investigation into the lobbyists' unusual methods was investigated.
It's a tough caseload against you, huh? So, how long have you been hoarding food to bribe people? Oh, I'm sorry. This is funny. I should be laughing, right? You know what? Take us to the room. Come on. Get up. Take us to the room. We're on the move, ladies and gents. Come on. Get your stuff.
This is the wrong room. They're not with me.
Go. Gluttony. A crime of the nation. Do you have anything to say?
About you stealing our food?
I'm saying you're here to love coffee.
This is outrageous.
She's stealing our
It's
freedom.
unlawful.
We wrapped up the night with a press conference with Governor Schumacher.
Be genuine. Don't say something if you don't mean it, because it's really painful as a candidate when somebody calls you fake because you're just trying to show them, who you are, and you're just trying to get to talk to them.
That's all for day 1, and KYA will see you tomorrow. Now that you've seen some of our morning activities at the Capitol and at the Crown Plaza, let's head back to the hotel where some of our correspondents are interviewing delegates.
I'm here with McLean Yost from Ballard High School. McLean, first of all, I want to say that your Sioux game is fun. The second thing I would like to ask is, what is your favorite KYA memory?
My favorite KYA memory is when I was debating on a bill and I accidentally broke the podium. And it was an accident, everyone started laughing. It was the only reason why our bill got passed.
I am here with Nick Skidmore, candidate for presiding officer. Nick, what has being a candidate for presiding officer taught you?
I think that being a candidate just allows you to I'm sorry, can we try that one more time?
Yeah. I am here with candidate for presiding officer Megan Ackley. Megan, what has running for presiding officer taught you?
It's taught me that the future of Kentucky is in great hands because Kentucky's youth is so passionate about what we're doing here at KYA, and I could not wait to see what we do in the future.
Thank you, Megan.
Let's go back to the Capitol and check out some of the shenanigans there.
Thank you so much, KY3 2018. I've had the best conference of my life, and I sincerely hope you've had yours too. That's all for today, guys. This is Aisha Assad
And Ariba Khan
signing out.